CSV files are comma-separated values, are plain text files that store tabular data. Each line is a data record, and values within a record are separated by commas. They're ideal for exchanging data between spreadsheets, databases, or different applications, and for simple data logging, thanks to their universal readability and simplicity.
In Python, you can create CSVs in two primary ways. First, using the built-in CSV module. Open a file, then use CSV Writer to write your data row by row. Second, and often preferred for structured data, is the pandas library. You construct the data frame, then easily export it using the df.to_csv method, which offers great flexibility and efficiency.
This Python script demonstrates two common ways to create CSV files. It first defines a sample dataset representing customer information, which is a typical use case for CSV files due to their simple tabular structure. The script then proceeds to write this data into two separate CSV files, each using a distinct method, allowing for a clear comparison of their implementation.
The first method utilizes Python's built-in CSV module. It opens a file named customer_data_built-in.csv in write mode, specifying !newline equals for correct line ending handling. A CSV, dict writerus instantiated, which maps the keys of the dictionaries in the data list to the specified headers. TheWriter, write header, call writes the column names, followed by writer, write rows, data, which efficiently writes all the customer records as separate rows into the CSV file.
The second method employs the pandas library, a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis. Here, the initial list of dictionaries data is converted into a pandas data frame object. This data frame then directly uses its to_CSV method to write the data to customer_data_pandas.csv. The index equals false argument is crucial, as it prevents pandas from including its internal data frame index as an additional column in the output CSV, ensuring that only the original data columns are present.